Ya sa geçer çarptın mı be? Tadi niye geçecek? Geç yap gibi dallarıymış. Niye mo kira geçer gibi daha kumudu lo maro. 理解能力有问题吗？啥懂？那个钱没来挂的清楚了。这就故事，挂。但我没这搞么着，那我那10年不嫌那多。来不及了噻！你也用长语对他哈噻，我得乐观说书，我得乐观说书，没有嘛，喝不起跌啦。但你这的，你这可能，你看每次打吧，吃来说需要嘛嘞，这的地位讲多啊，就从这几个哎，这个钱与对咱们推运站这等对那么多，这个钱我是但哪里囤着这些，吃了这虚假吃去的，这个钱别吃。知道啊，那个内容，OK。都什么弟弟嘛去查去 ，OK， 到底哪是瓜？哪个的你的话多？我特别是第一次学的。大洋过土路，大洋过。我俩那掐过去的个电话主呢啊，就是发钱的，掐过去别的过了，的多，但你的多的啊，我那掐过去赶几个车嘛的啊，停车过了，长途的打车那个是啥数？地方最多地方不多哎。不计价钱，刚我这个一口堵过了，我已经决定好了，我不想那个了，俺不想坐公共交通工具了。这六节气的，我这刚呢拿出到刚捐那里的，我这嘛刚呢按照团过去，南山团都估得刚嘛洗不着了，这嘛的俺刚洗不着过的了，俺刚。吃的差不多就煮面。来不及了噻，不没有哎，我们都是这儿呗。这还拿回港了不匀嘛的，比朝鲜那多。我现在特别嫌那么多哎，多你是多，俺那迪斯瓜的。韩国看空了，韩国那个。韩国拿不去看，那可能那最多看那地看那什么，啥地看我看小了。韩国地看啊，也没那皮看啊，但是韩国地看下去了，可是那韩国啊，他顶多啥不了现在那个，他地看到看出好嘛的，别的马恰下，你们不知道，对你拍着做的，现在差不多没呗。但我那天这说是宽度，防止我再伤害我自己。 读的错，点点赞分享噻，别闹啊会，别闹会共同测这下用这个，这下，我那用这个。Biskira. Ne taşki. 在国外嘛才知道。免注意，免得我的嘴没好吃，有怪叔，它会止痒，但只会止一点点痒，就是涂的时候会止痒，涂完之后就又没了。之前给去给多吧，得多吧，对。哦shit！ 哦，吃不什么了 ？OK， 这打好过去看，你找，是吧？什么香山这快知道了噻？学的嘛，真正不想么子干住你，么子干就说过的嘛。感觉卷我那里的么子干呢？B 装好哈噻，来拖起来呢，得起来呢。我那牛的，你笔记本，你老不上去还个台，你吃点没读哎。一年叫那个还花嘛的，还下个月叫那个用嘛的 ，PPT 用嘛的，那么三的切主温度，叫那个 PPT 那么三降主温度，还下个月你老整签个字错，你现在 PPT 降死没呗？你还花么多叫啦？见那个三不的，你现在底数呢？看做开始俺 PPT 降，等于说呢，底数过去的，让俺看做点这些嘛的，老不在啦。对，但俺笔记本没读，第二你看的问题。对，你还吃多？你熏脚，别去熏脚。当俺弟心里呢，学个当不起这样话上去，就是没有字，你笔记本花什么嘞？对，必须当啥啦？很漂亮噻，你看艺术的，你看艺术，你看你姐姐，你别去熏脚的。但也得去了，熟悉去了，熟悉已经很给面子了，已经很给面子。你笔记本的都是花猪呢，啊，胡总，我呢，他的事情。那是钱，不过哇 ，OK， 大家摸着几搞完，快点，快吃到，吃了3不噻，你们这你3不噻，新不你看不出300米，新不多噻的，这从哪儿你看过去么多，摸着是搞。我们家拉不多，都是为大家拉我们了。 或者 keep 我们家啥人民币我们家么着不过 keep 깜지나래 그래고 나 어디 선배 가셔 그러니 눈을 거주 가셔 그러니 깜지나래 와 이거 자식이 중에 뭐 키야 키小是吧768那才什么着车已经到了你好过的裙子连不上没有叔叔你走不能吗多少快点别墨迹啊啥这俩来多来不到了妈的但这个裙子有一点子不配啊你挑嘛裙子的压的死我看看全身的啥你也地出来点火你地出来点火光 iPad Q 的对我得起来我 iPad 没进来这死的起来你怎么三年평소에 이대 잘 개버 봐. 제가 잘 평소 잘 나무라. 누가 잘 내도. 누구 키비 아이패드 키다. 키 뭐진 키미. 디미지 대사서. 대사서. 오케이. 왜? 가리 판치요. 콘솔 한 장만 치시.没看你啊，关你什么事噻？我这，你这么了不起，阿里瓜，苏大叔家里给不到，公主家里没点事，瓜，哈是家里没家，哪个都有。你以后每个包里面装一个冰箱呢，大红呢。一个说快墨迹，一个说你别看了，然后吵起来了别墨迹是你的哎。么快点墨迹的呀是俺的，我这里哈是你的记住，哈哦是你的记住，就是那个哈哦。新白的莫让大把用的，新白的来啊嘛的哈哦啥的记住，这里面第一呢，你跟几个语句的什么呢？哈哦啥的嘞。sorry， 皮个软。Can you come here? No, I have to go there. Huh? I'm gonna pass like this. 자, 중요한 싹동도 치버렸어 이거 이게. 계속 신이 중무동아 오늘 딱 중요한 리스트 띵이 고 중무동 혼자. 这个线呢生没呗？当年谈的保点的了吧？让尊用之类的吧，就是你要楼上是没有那种别的吧？你知道吧？看有看不见楼上，让尊用之类，快莫真难得，当俺苦嘛得给，可能这是楼底没呗？过有当哪个都是怕得不见的楼没呗？那就是我，的行上都还是楼没的，我的这个下边俺还是小的三只没呗？没让你可都用嘛，让对那锅里不说那么大了，你点我。对，你点我多少？我别估的一下，本来我定位就是在这儿呀，不在那儿呀，或者我14号你拿我这或者定位切皮，我看住了可把做的。 没事，消消气噻。那没事，消消气噻。那的可是找不到，是找不到，很重要，他鸟也没找到。那没事，消消气噻。手机体育，手机体育。为什么不在我听？我只有呀呀了瓜。哭嘛的，左脚嘛呗。给这些呢，不要我嘛的。卡尔多。
Good morning.
Good morning. Why you cannot be there? Because my address is there.
For me, the location Ullevi Street 11 and 13. Sorry.
Where's the 11 and 30? Is there?
13 is here.
Where? 跨度13咁住足算跨度你電話。過，等你老爸挺有嘛其實。快這啥？快手機個自動年點定位成咗的，就是11號呢13號把它留下噻，你那14號嘛的。雨龙想想那些，耳朵快散了，打雨水。走，好。咱们找不去吧？没穿上衣吧？咋说的？欧冠，你那空哪给说？欧冠干，我有个人没提，门票就是那个坐票，个人没提。第是啥？9万8，最便宜的也是7万6三的。人民币的，没法说过。9万你要去看个球赛，然后就一个人坐在里面。阿森纳的第是啥？巴黎圣日耳曼。你点评吧，你很多也去可是4000至3000之内还得考虑一下吧，是吧？我呢上不去，你能上不去，单子中午多上不去。9万3这多，我以为我看错了没呗。给大白的人家长就买10块钱万长就买。你都这个不是福林吧？上不去，要这几个点吧，是人民币。又不是很喜欢啥这把洋钱噻，嘎不教育呢，做什么的？吃谷子这件我呢，们的球赛打着，你这是呗？我吃到还是那什么？你跟着点火着？听那语。花多，되게多。관주, 단예 좀 시에를 교정한 년라 교정한 더 붙이 있습니다. 들려도. 네, 5月30总决赛7万3这，远着多啊！你打多么多啊？10万3这。你这了，你给我看了不多，哈哈，不用了，谢谢。姐们，那天晚上那个400块拿到了吗？拦不住。实时护车为军节赛。地点在哪？地点在我家的旁边。你拿的拉不知道的是太鸟的，不是是球场，拉不知道太鸟是，最大的是。拿大钱呢？他人过嘛的，就是一个地铁几就是住嘛的。地下的噻，地下的我那会儿果断放弃，不是你怎么向他要钱的噻？我有的钱没，我要可多吐了那么重， 투로 남준다. 투로 남주스만 뜻은 주주 매백 기재 수도. 투로 말아말다. 공아 디체어 말이. 그래, 地址发不出，我看到抓着就那么拖嘛的。一个座位93000원짜리，光开水73000呗。明我那个打他弄不上去。那么小路，但你 PPT 你看做没定的，你也直接签个。你这是多少？这是第一页。啊？可以。对，请欣赏我的 PPT。第一页多少？你不得第多少？送不定的钱，洗不定的是，对。别有情绪，忘记，我出不去。这，对吧？差不多，对，都对不起那多啊，就是有一点子的对吧？这个价格有点怀疑人生了哈，是钱噻。可是你同多年查罗干的对账吧，ChatGPT 来给这吃对账吧，第二段东查西子数字3的意思吧，他东查西数名的这个他光想不热的是吧？热的那样，这什么东西？我打第的酷狗的有的嘛的什么，大家转的没得，多巴黎圣人们干做干许嘛呗，你偶像干许嘛嘞，快乐的呢。偶像大家是不是现在没得 ？PP 做的好有质量，是它后期质量大多哎。你也感觉就是那种滥竽充数且低没呗？卡里哦，能推着啥？但你俺古语可以生病的瓜，你乐不？对呀，OK，弟弟。mindful in student life Buddhist wisdom and modern psychology 了不是吧？但第二，但之前看确实古语课不对，我的生病古语课的生病就是谈的我对佛教的智慧的现代的心理学结合起来呢，你知道吧？但不要拖延嘛的，拖延的嘛的，看漏的。你这清没呗？我们这现在清没呗？就是最近不是有人有那个 anxiety 的，那真没呗的。你这个掐呀的，看漏了就是集中不了精力的，你看没呗？我焦虑 ，yes，我的是，你谈不我的那个做人的小个做的什么了 ？stress, distraction, anxiety， 我做的米他们听得有点吧，是吧？我们他们得有点吧，但第三期做的米他们得有点吧。你看我们的记忆力非常碎片化的吧，都是，今年嘛我的这些是对吧？你的查数呢？mindfulness 是卡说的是呢，我做谈的那个不能把给当然做能去哪里了不是吧？这拉他们米大或者了不是吧？你谈的米个对个定义了呀我在处那大个的声音什么叫我妈的那你个什么叫我妈的啥什么什么问的 ？Pay attention to the present moment without judgment 了不是？我的是。monkey mind 是当我最能去哪了的冷嘛呗，珍惜当下是我的素质，的冷嘛嘞，我做表，当我做没啥表呢，出不是一直现在情嘛嘞，表啥的，我做谈的嘞，我做表个什么起的不是，表啥的没办法，我妈也能我做看了个新哪了嘞，讲不进来几怕全的我吧，但谈的提上我做没有嘛呗，就手机个软件进来几把它全的还是没办，就这个和以前的猴子没什么差别呀，是什么？因为猴子你妈给表给信息来源的，但讲没干的，信息来源是的，和对不起啊，消遣娱乐方式吧。当然最常的消遣娱乐嘛，就从一个 app 到另一个 app， 嘛对，到底我的钱。你当然第一个就是那了不人。OK， 但得看这是这 psychology 心理学干的人类的起源然后第一名看的学啥？ neuroscience 是能开始学的，我的你呢分析起来就是让你看着的，就是你是那种很紧张且焦虑且这浪的是一面的这下面呢就是你是对没看些对咱把多动症没呗，这然后我觉得大根本就是集中不了注意力，今年民这没呗，我这你大哭不给刚才没吃表现了，我等给。 神经科学啥？yes，我的，第一吧，就是第开始啥？第 emotional control，emotional 让还是当个第个冷门的，我出去去引起团的大家给大票给大厂你们都乐不着，我第顺的出吧，这是你把这下。对，他第顺的工作好的，第个厂这些就不要忙不行了的，你做不的。对的，我晕车了啥？切上。对的，俺那固有可以，现在你工作对俺那固有可以，冷门的。晕混乱上，我那里下真的很混乱。KK 好有创意噻，就是那，当然他的我都懂了。俺们GP 度了不真错吧？摸着现代的想。给我钱我们都给我钱得给我们能多的嘞，这是的，多大去了？播个搞一么着皮，刚刚给阿家那天。我搞着是，挂当俺镜头去赚钱了，看住俺在现场啥评论，自己也快睡着了噻。可能你做就，我靠，我没有看你做就不多啊。可能那天你做就比，啥子？可明天去带人家看住我那的妇女呗，俺这些那伙妇女，我那光打钱看打不着，么子就是给买来的。Excuse me?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Yeah. You are not sleepy, right?
No.
Okay. Because your eyes is kind of slow. That's why, like small. That's why.
Sun.
Okay. I'm just worried because I'm here.
No problem.
Okay.口音对他多年了，可能这是呀，这种声音我冲，这没呗，我通好什么？你这来可能没冲出来，可都那么大了，妈的，这没？你们都他们中国声音说是没当语气，这不当年的了吧？看来让米冲住，当年语气的嘛嘞，让米冲住了，看来让么这样，对不对？俺洗了吧，你俺么这那掉了，俺洗了吧？我说妈的。你们不多，你们同不多的，你们那个大的亲妹妹嫌难活了，你们同不多是，你们马上，可你做一个给这下，你们嘛的，你们一那米就是有神钱，一年就是它可以米吧，但你这钱但是有神的，包个米或者这是就是无神差不多没呗，大包茶钱。大包茶钱，人家包我那个来看下，米那是米定打谈的第一次茶钱，他你要嘛嘞，米中队打看他也没听，米中队打米的是克里克林的是，那是米中队的那边，那是中没呗，我这是。他我想到海人还加是，其实因为工作我定的游戏里看的媒体就是举报钱呐，他就没有工作了嘛，哎，我能理解，就是他很强势，插不见。俺前面你们如果是来的，我能理解，但是我不支持他这样的态度。我这没出去现这情没白吗？目的还有多人噻，大来着都。这倒是，然后说你的刚把的那波点个，因为的刚那他今年我的后视镜那波米多嘛的我的呢，但又是他同的。 啊镜头最脚不大。Tesco 这家超市，欧洲普遍都能见到玛莎，没有很多，蛮不久的我买的。解放了朋友的后续，他没有后续。没有后续，肯定是呢，空啊给他们中，但是可能今天有或者明天有。可真的，你们年底拿了的钱嘛的，当然拿不来说。咖啡是牛的，很多感觉都。以后是给他放个 DJ 音乐清醒一下噻，那怪说多，底下说多，你害怕吗？咋看着害怕？看着害怕算了，你说现在就给他解错。姐等于，我天，对的。多，你就要那个，电器给他嘞，所有不差钱那钱没办，小个的，萝卜三点么了，萝卜啥的钱的是哪查数？波多了不大嘞，这，看着是那米的了都不能吃过药的，过来都不能，现在难的，我点萝卜那么大，可波多了是大嘞，我还说怎么这么香的葫芦噻，当然拿不下来说，好的噻，干啥啦？对，你拿不住。咖啡机音乐然后做，养咖啡都咖啡牛是这样隆起起的，呢，小白牙烂呢，在匈牙利米隆起在地面呗。宝宝有点冒昧，你多少斤？好瘦噻，不冒昧，你可以问，你可以想问什么就问什么。is there?
Card, cash.
Card, please. Daniel OTT 点了，你让我给我听了。Yes, okay. Can you put it in, please? Can you put it in, please? 破阶段叫我卡他呗。Choose foreign.
Lasst jag ska get PIN code.
Bro.
Okay, bye.
Bye. 光啊，按这菜单这看没呗？这些你菜这看没呗？我得看就是。好喜欢你的身材哦！那边有扫码支付吗？没有。这是我的菜单，菜单码的，这是我的您的菜品，您的菜品在这儿。但我脚才不是俺干我们兄弟讲，我为什么还在这边磨蹭？这两个那俺家咖啡用的，俺家真正那样注意，真正那样请。啊 ，fuck shit 了！俺穷做这些钱，我那别的活的，起不现那活起来。都不想说白了我，快谢谢他人物都快 thank you 他什么的，或者容我这些，你这么3年的没？ 조조. 까만 누가 좀 쳐봐.投资送吧。投资送呗，按个送不啥？303，呀303人。日下可来老子，真就见不见不着的呀！俺303这猪肉混没的。哦，在这边，当俺情况，真就见不见不说是见没的说是。可能俺送投资送多少用的。过啊，日下，我不知道我不是。
2-minute words.
Hello.
Yeah.
But you know, with the time management presentation, the emails is easy.
对，我录进来的啥？
It's the messages. Viber, WhatsApp, Messenger, faces, messages.
In the live connections, you know, when I'm in my workplace,
Я десь я влог цю цепь.
question or difficulty, and they are
镜头转一下看是多少。
and finish and go back to the
摸了，我最接了。对，我得是的。
It's Maria, yeah?
Your name?
Martin. And you're nearly there.
对啊。
Nearly there. Okay, let's start.
还是来 start
We did learning styles last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can't.
Hi.
Who's presenting today?
Me. Oh, like we have 3?
Okay.
桌子挺凶的，真是挺凶的。哇，第几个？
There are 2 questions, just have a look while people are coming in. We looked at, there were 4 ways in which we learn. And then there were 2 learning methods that I showed you the last time. Study methods. You won't-
帮我记一下。
See if you remember.
大家来看个新卡装的。
You went to how was Turkey? Here are the boys. Hi, how are you? Fine. Good. We've got 2 questions on the board. See what you remember. Remind me to do the attendance. I'll do the attendance at the end. The 4 ways in which we learn, what were they?
Listening. Like full listening.
Karma.
I forgot.
Verona. Auditory. Visual. Kinesthetic through action. And the 4th one was? Audio. Reading, writing. You got it. What were the 2 learning methods? One was related to this. What were the names?
Recalling?
No, there were two psychological methods that we looked at the end of the lesson.
The Pomodoro technique.
No, that's time management. You're in another class. Verona. They had the names of the people that invented these learning methods. Boys, you really should take notes in lectures. You sit and just watch. If it goes in one ear, it comes out the other. Where's learning methods? How we learn. We had this one called the done and done learning method. You do get a question on this in the exam. I'll put up learning material for you for next week. So the environment that you like to learn in, whether you like it quiet, whether you like it warm, whether you like it hot, the emotions you have, what motivates you, whether you like to learn with people or in a group. Then we have the auditory, visual, tactile, and kinesthetic, time of day, and whether you're an analytical global person, impulsive or reflective. Well, so that was one. What was the other one? So there was the done and done, and there was also this one here, the Honey and Mumford, where you're activist, theorist, pragmatist, or reflector. And we filled out surveys for this. Okay, who's presenting? We've got 3 presentations, 4 presentations. Who has not presented yet? This is really not good. Because I don't want to sit through, we'll do 3 today, 3 next week. Who wants to do it today? Okay. The 3 girls, all right.
Okay.
Can you, and you go next week, can you make your presentations really energetic and quick? Don't waffle, keep it really focused, keep it fast and furious.
Okay.
Let's go on to CoSpace.
注意它了，把注意它。你考完的学校。
Karma, you're going to go first.
Yeah, I can. 对啊。Okay.
Thank you. Lovely. There we go.
Yes.
Let me just get a pen and a piece of paper.
Okay.
Because we've got 3, just keep it nice and energetic, focused and quick. Let's go. Can you put away your phones? Give her attention, please. Put away your phones. Give her attention. Here we go.
Good morning, everyone. And today I'm going to talk about mindfulness in student life from Buddhist wisdom and modern psychology way. Okay. So before I get started, can I ask you, like, when was the last time that you guys focused on only one thing? When was the last time? Yeah.
Difficult.
Yeah, it is difficult.
On my metro, on my way here.
Okay. What about others? It's okay, like you guys can like have the question while I'm presenting. Okay. So nowadays in our life we are getting stress and distract and anxiety like super easily, and also like our attention is fragmented. Yes. And in modern society keeps stimulating a mind that is already naturally restless. So this is where Buddhist and psychology connect, and both are asking the same question, like how do we find a stable mind in a world of constant stimulation? So what is mindfulness? Pay attention to the present moment without a judgment. Mindfulness originally is from Buddhist meditation traditions. Okay, so in Buddhist, we always like believe all the humans are from monkeys. So here we go, we have the monkey mind. So basically, back of those days, when we are in a jungle, and we usually jump from a tree to another tree. But nowadays, like we are jumping from one app to another apps. Yeah, that's why like I'm trying to connecting these two things. So from the Buddhist view, we are like restless mind, yeah, and driven by this deserts and in the past or future and source of suffering. Yeah, from the modern life view, constant notification, like endless notification and social media scrolling and comparing. Especially this comparing, I'm definitely sure like everyone here like do this thing, like comparing from the social media, from the reels, from the pictures and like whatever. And multitasking is like doing multiple things at the same time. Like you guys are like, yeah. And anxiety about the future, yeah. That's the thing. So like if you guys have any question, you can like just stop me and ask whenever you want.
You keep going.
Okay.
Pace is good. Be more clearer. Don't waffle. Keep it focused.
Alright. Okay. Yeah. Basically the monkey mind is jumping from a thought to another thought and rarely staying still. Okay. From psychology and the neuroscience, there's like 3 different type of way of how can I say like getting like anxiety. Like yeah, first is if you are this type of person, like you can't oh shit, what was it? I forgot. Okay, let's jump to here. Like attention improvement, for example, like you cannot focus on only one thing. Like or like you are using your phone in every 5 minutes. Like when like the notification comes, you can like stop, change, check your phone and stuff. And emotional regulation is more like once you get a bad, like negative messages, and then you're gonna get effect like really quick, really easily. Yeah, that's how like you have to do the emotional regulation. Yes. Oh, I remember the stress reducing. The way of stress reducing is like you can take a long breath, like 5 to 10 minutes break, and this is for the people who's like like for example me, I'm a little bit like this, kind of like shaking, like yeah, like something like this, yeah, like yeah, because I didn't have time to prepare like to 5 to 10 minutes and have a long breath. I'm like running from yeah, so that's the thing. Yeah, okay, so mindful study break. So this study break doesn't mean like, oh, you have a lesson and you're gonna have like 10 minutes of break. No, this study break is like when you study, you focus on only the study and there's nothing can like distract you. And the break means like you are just relaxing your brain, like without thinking anything. I think this is really good in like, especially like in this generation, because like right now, like everyone is like so busy with like talking, working, or like scrolling your phone and stuff. So this one, like you cannot do anything, like maybe like every